The word for a design made by inserting pigment into punctures in the skin is
Tatuaggio.
it derives from the French,
Tatuaggio.
which in turn comes from the English tattoo.
Tatuaggio.
There are two ways of saying to get a tattoo in Italian.
Farsi un tatuaggio.
To get a tattoo,
Farsi fare un tatuaggio.
to get a tattoo done. There isn't a big difference between the two phrases, but the second makes it clear that someone else is giving you the tattoo. The first could suggest that you're doing the job yourself. However, because people rarely give themselves tattoos, we can interpret them in the same way.
Domani mi faccio fare il mio primo tatuaggio. Ho un po' paura.
Tomorrow I'm getting my first tattoo done. I'm a bit scared. To have a tattoo translates as,
Avere un tatuaggio.
whereas to get a tattoo removed is,
Farsi rimuovere un tatuaggio.
the place where you get a tattoo is called,
Uno studio di tatuaggi.
although you'll hear Italians use the English tattoo shop. Related to the word tatuaggio is the verb
Tatuare.
to tattoo and the noun
Tatuatore.
tattoo artist.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.